In this short video, I want to show you how to install the Fanpage Booster. To get started, go to fanpagebooster.de/members area. Okay, fanpagebooster.de members area. Then enter the username member@fanpagebooster.de. Okay, so member@fanpagebooster.de, and then enter the password that you're seeing right here. Okay, so just enter the password here, hit enter. Great, perfect. And well, I tried to make this as simple as possible. So all you have to do now is to grab this link here and drag it into your bookmarks bar, okay? I already installed it, so I won't do it again, but really all you have to do is to grab this link here and drag it in here. And something I want to point out is that you should use Google Chrome. That's what the Fanpage Booster is compliant with, and you will really see the best performance with Google Chrome. So I really don't recommend Safari. With Firefox, it works sometimes, but really the best browser to use is the Google Chrome browser. If you say, screw Google, they're stealing all my data, well, yeah, that's true, but still their browser is one of the best. And if you really want to use the script, you have to use the Google Chrome browser. And well, that's how it really works. It's super simple. So just log in into the members area. It's a simple drag and drop install process. And if you've got any trouble installing it, hey, just reach out and I'll try to help you to make this work. So go ahead, take action now and install the Fanpage Booster on Google Chrome.